Hello friends. In this video I intend to teach you how to withdraw TRC20 in the Amega broker. You click on the Visa option and select crypto-to-fiat in this section, BSAT, then click on Add Continue. In the withdrawal request stage, if your wallet has a name or ID, you enter it in this section. Enter your desired network, which we have chosen TRC20. Enter your wallet address and upload a document of your wallet address like a screenshot in this section. Click on Continue. In the next step, you confirm your withdrawal address by selecting the address, and if you wish to change the information, click on this option. And finally, click on Continue. In the next step, enter your desired amount and click on Continue. Your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. And please note, as we have been informed, this process may take 2 days. To check the history of your transactions, click on History. And as you can see in the special section, this operation is pending. After 2 hours, we withdrew this amount. Good luck.